You've gone to Virat, so set it up for me. I mean, how important is Virat? Because he will obviously, on the cusp of history. ICC inaugural World Test Championship legacy match. How should Virat approach? I mean, you've seen Virat from being a child, so just talk to me about it.
Yeah, I think he should approach the game, which I'm confident he will, like any other game, because Virat is someone who prepares really well for any challenges he's going to confront, but doesn't unnecessarily take pressure on himself. Because yes, it's an important final, it's an inaugural World Test Championship final, and he knows that not only as a batsman but as a captain, he's got a great opportunity to hold that ICC trophy. But I think when you are playing at the highest level, and someone like Virat, who's taken a lot of pride playing for his country, representing his country, he will just go out and play to his strength. I'm sure he will fall back on the recipe or the formula he has had over so many years for his success, and he'll just repeat that. And that's why he's been so consistent over the years. He knows that if Virat Kohli, the batsman, score runs, India will always be in a formidable situation, and that's what he will be aiming to do. He'll not be looking at runs, he'll be looking at spending time at the wicket, and once he does that, runs will flow automatically from his blade.
I spoke to the members of the team in India, VVS, and after the first test match in Chennai, that is, and everyone said the ground was like a graveyard without any people, because they had just played in Australia where there were fans, and they are used to support. And they were like, from the second test match in India, at that point, the second wave had not come, so we had fans. And that made a massive difference. Now in Southampton also, we will have fans. And one can only expect there will be Indian fans, because Indian fans will come. Will that make a difference, you think? Do these things make a difference?
Yeah, it definitely makes a difference, because as an artist, because I feel that cricketers are artists. They're out there to entertain the people while they're doing their jobs and performing for their respective teams and countries. But I think, an artist doesn't like to perform in front of an empty stadium or stand. So I think it will be definitely beneficial for the players, especially if the situation is not right. I think the fans, with the energy they get into the stadium, I'm sure that can change the psyche and the mindset of the players. But having said that, one of the things which is a red flag for the Indian team is they've never performed well over the last few years in the first test of any series. So that is something which I'm sure, again, the players will understand, because this is the only match and this is the all-important final. So they have to start well. They don't have an opportunity to come back in the series, because this is a one-off match, important finals. So I think being switched on and starting well will be very critical. And I'm sure the fans will add to to create that energy, to create that atmosphere. But I think the players have to dig deep within to be ready from the word go.
Is there a favorite, or there is also a possibility of joint winners? I mean, if there is a draw, both Virat and Kane can hold the trophy. Are you seeing that possibility at all? Do you see there will be a result, and is there a favorite according to you?
Well, there will definitely be a result. Luckily, the only issue always in England is the weather, and luckily there's an additional day given to counter if at all rain interrupts the game. But I'm sure there will be a result. There will be a winner. And I still back India to win this trophy, because the amount of talent, the amount of quality the Indian team has, in both the departments, I think they have an edge. Having said that, you never take New Zealand lightly. You never take New Zealand lightly, because one thing which I admire with the New Zealand team over the years, not only this New Zealand team, but New Zealand team over the years, is they are always punch above their weight. They always give more than their 100%, and that's why they're so consistent in all the three formats. So I just feel that the advantage with New Zealand is they're already used to the English conditions. They already played 2 test matches before the finals against England, against the home side. That will definitely be the advantage, and that's why I think it will be an evenly matched match. But the quality of this Indian team, the resilience this Indian team and players have shown over the last few years, I'll still back India to win this championship.